Hello and welcome. This is Martin with My IELTS Tutor. I want to welcome you here today. Today is our first lesson in listening, and we're basically going to have an introduction to what the listening section is. So let's begin. Now, as an overview, basically the listening portion of the test is 40 minutes long, has 4 sections. Each section has 10 questions each. The sections will either have, the audios will be either a conversation or a monologue. Monologue is where one person speaks. And the audios themselves total 30 minutes to combine. This means they're about 7.5 minutes long each. You must answer the questions as you listen. This is very important. You don't, unlike other tests where you listen and then answer the questions, you must answer as you listen. At the end of the test, you will have 10 minutes to transfer your answers to the answer sheet for paper-based IELTS. For computer-based IELTS, you have 2 minutes at the end to check your answers. Now, you do have time to read the questions prior to listening to the audios. This is around 30 seconds. And then the test does get progressively harder. This means that section 1 is the easiest, section 4 is the hardest. And it will feature speakers who speak a variety of different accents, from North American, such as the US and Canada, to British accents. So you have to listen carefully because there's differences between the different accents. And so it may be difficult to understand some of them. Okay. And then for some of the question types, you have to write in the answers. It's okay to use British or American spelling. So as long as it's correct in one of those formats, it's okay. Now, the structure of the test is this. You have, as I said, 4 sections. You have section 1, section 2, section 3, section 4. Section 1 is always about some type of transactional conversation between 2 people. This can be where someone is seeking information about something, such as going to the library and finding out information on different books, or it could be arranging to rent a car or rent an apartment, that type of thing. Section 2 is a monologue in a social situation. This could be like a tour of a museum or a park, or it could be an HR representative giving some information to new hires, or a representative of an organization giving information about their organization. Section 3 is a discussion between 2 to 4 people, and it's always an educational context. This means that it may be a classroom discussion with students and the professor, or it could be several students meeting with their teaching assistant to discuss a project. Things of that nature. And section 4 is always an academic lecture from an introductory class, such as introductory to psychology, introductory physics, something like that. It'll be non-technical, very basic level. You don't need prior knowledge. Now, and that's it for today. I want to thank you for joining me, and I'll see you next time. Thank you.